Good morning. Welcome to Math Ideas number 18. Today we're going to look at a geometry problem because our Olympiad homework problem is a geometry problem. So this should be pretty fun, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so here's the question we're gonna think about today. If we have a shape that has 3 duplo blocks going up this way and 3 duplo blocks going this way. Oops, maybe the green isn't going to show up so well on camera. Switch to different colors. So I've got 3 duplo blocks going in each direction. So I got 3 up and 3 across. How many duplo blocks are there in this shape?
9.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
Counted.
You counted.
3,
okay.
6, 9.
Okay, very good. Now, what if I had 3 duplo blocks up, but I had 5 across? So when it was 3 by 3, we had 9. What about when it's 3 by 5? Oops, careful, honey. What about when it's 3 by 5? How many are we going to have?
15.
15, very good. Now you could either say that it was, like you did, let me zoom out. You could either say this was 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 5 threes, which was 15. Or you could count the rows of 5. And how many rows of 5 are there? How many rows of 5 are there? 3. So it's either 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 5 plus 5 plus 5. But what does 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal?
15.
15. So either way, it's 15. Okay, so when you have a square or a rectangle, you just figure out how many blocks go up and how many blocks go across, and you can either count them or you could multiply. Do you know what 5 threes are when you multiply?
5 threes.
That's just the same as
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
No, 5 threes.
Oh.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. But we can write that as 5 times 3. And you know what we can write 3 5s as? 3 times 5. And either way we get 15. Now here is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. And it looks like I forgot to get an eraser. So let me just grab an eraser. What happens if we have a little bit of a trick? So let's say we have 3 rows of 4, like that, okay? How many blocks are there?
12.
12, very good. Which we can, how did you count the 12?
Counted them this way.
So you said 3, 6, 9, 12?
Yep.
Okay, and we also could have counted them 4, 8, 12. Counting the groups of 4. Does that make sense? Okay. But what if I stacked them too high? How many duplo blocks would I have now?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So I have 4 rows of 3. Sorry. Yeah, 4 rows of 3, or 4 columns of 3. And they're too high. So how many duplo blocks do you think I have now?
Let's see. 4, 8, 12. Let's see. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24, very good. You counted them all exactly right. Now let's see some other ways we could do this. Instead of just by counting them, we could have said it was 12 times 2. And what do we have 12 of? Where do we have 12 duplo blocks?
Yeah, 12 duplo blocks down here and up here.
Okay, right. We have 12 on the bottom and 12 on the top. So that's 12 times 2. And then we could say that that was 3 times 4 times 2. Because 3 times 4 is?
3 times 4.
3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. So very good. Now I'm going to give you one last challenge problem, okay? Can you sit up straight in your chair so you don't hit the tripod? Okay. What if I had this? 3 rows of 3 and it was stacked 3 high. Whoa!
Whoa!
This one's crazy.
$27.
27, very good. So how did you figure that out?
I figured it out because I counted.
You counted, right. And the other way we could have said is how many blocks do we have on the bottom layer? Just on the bottom layer.
3, 6, 9.
9. How many blocks do we have on the middle layer?
9.
9. And how many blocks do we have on the top layer?
9.
9. And what's 9 plus 9? Do you know?
Because 9 is 18, then we had one more 9.
And what's 18 plus 9?
18 plus 9. 27.
27. Very good. All right. So that's how we figure out how many blocks there are in these shapes. You can either just count them, or you can do a little multiplication. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's learning a little bit about basic geometry. And you got a homework problem about that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good job today, honey.